Lisbon adventure in the EDM vibe, where the rhythms pulsate and the dreams come alive. Let's dance with her in the city so grand, as we celebrate a journey hand in hand. In the cafes and bars where the music plays, she finds a rhythm in these sunny days. With every friend she meets and every laugh they share, she feels the warmth in the Lisbon air. Lisbon adventure in the EDM vibe, where the rhythms pulsate